Yeah guys, I'm here with this Garvee 4-gallon electric garden sprayer which I got from the seller to show you, and I've already used it and it was absolutely amazing. If you have to spray a lot, this can be an absolute game changer. I mean, we have this super large 4-gallon tank which is super easy to fill from this super large opening here. If you like, you can even fill it with this strainer here, but you don't have to use it. Really super easy to fill, super easy to close. And of course, thanks to the large opening, also super easy to clean. If you're worried about assembly, absolutely no problem. I can tell you I spent even less time assembling this one than a normal standard hand pump sprayer from Home Depot, because it comes with already everything, especially the super large battery here already inside, nothing to do. And by the way, after turning it on here and also activate the power adjuster, you can see how much power is left here. Super convenient to use. You don't have to take it off. You can just grab with one hand here to turn it on and off and regulate the intensity here. And in the front of it, we can see these super solid, highly cushioned straps here. So it's very comfortable to wear it even for longer time. Easy to put on, easy to take off. Length is nicely adjustable here. Also decent cushion here right in the back. And so we just have to attach the hose, connect it with the handle, and then choose the lancet. Here I've been just using the normal super lightweight plastic extension, but we get also an additional metal one which is even extendable. So in total we have actually a very, very long extension here, even 3 times. Absolutely amazing. And we get a lot of accessories, for example, also this priming pump if you need. I didn't have to use it, absolutely no problem. So it primed on its own. We have also measuring cup, and then we have a ton of accessories. You can see, for example, charger and a ton of spray nozzles. Here I'm just using the single flexible nozzle where we can adjust the spray angle, but we really have many more. We have a dual, we have a triple, we have metal ones, we have a flower design here. So many options and so easy to use. We just switch it on here and then activate the power, and then we can use it right away. You can see, yeah, no doubt this is absolutely amazing. And I'm using it here on the highest power with this concentrated nozzle. This thing goes at least 15 feet or so, but of course I can also make it just super wide. Hope you can see that. And again, not only adjustable here, but also adjustable here, right? Adjustable the motor strength. I don't know if you can hear that. A huge difference. So if you just need a little bit, you can reduce it down to almost nothing or ramp it up to a crazy amount of water or chemicals, whatever you have to spray. The container also has some fill marks on both of the sides. On one side we have liters and on the other side we have gallons. Yeah, for me it doesn't get any better than that. Super convenient. Also seems to be a sturdy build. Comes with everything. Yeah, really not a lot to complain here. Hard to find any problems. I only wish that the fill marks on both of the sides would be a little bit easier to see, but maybe you can use a permanent marker to make the writing a little bit easier visible. And so if you're interested, you can find the link down in the description of the video, so you can check it out and order one for you if you like. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this sprayer, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.